Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions here with a quick stock market update. Make sure that you guys like and subscribe if you feel like you learned something new. I upload new videos every single day. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. The NASDAQ market is down 1.6% on the day. We're not progressively making lower lows, so it looks like it's almost finding finally some form of support. If we look at the overall NASDAQ market and how much it's dropped ever since the CPI data report was released. So based off of its performance on what was that? Monday, and then the aggressive sell-off that we had pre-market on Tuesday. We're down about 8%. So the triple leverage ETFs that you guys are trading, if you're in SQs or TQs, again, should be 3 times that. So again, looking a little bit closer to that 24% mark. We're showing signs of a support, but why is it that there was more selling pressure, especially, as of yesterday after market hours? We closed at 290, almost 292. But towards the aftermarket trading session, we ended up lows at 288. So we talked about this in yesterday's video. FedEx reported that their expectations for this up and coming quarter is actually worse than expected. Apple and Amazon also, because of how they work with FedEx and overall just like logistic issues when it comes down to that type of company and the influence that it has. By FedEx reporting that, it obviously is going to negatively influence other markets. And that's exactly what happened. It brought down the price of Apple, brought down the price of Amazon, brought down the price of a lot of different companies. And then by bringing down those companies, those companies have such large market caps that then it brings down the overall market. So as of right now, we're definitely still seeing more selling pressure than buying pressure by any means. During today's live trading session, we actually caught this reversal. So I was buying as we were beginning to show signs of a support. Once we had confirmation, I averaged up into it and then loaded off and reduced my entire position. There's nothing wrong with day trading something, but again, if overall direction is not in your favor, it's simply going to be more challenging and more difficult and definitely more risky to be able to take those trades. Right now, we're retesting that same support. I'm still waiting for the break above EMA, the break above the moving average to see if it's worth taking a day trade on TQQQ. But as of right now, direction is not in my favor. We're making lower highs, lower lows, and still waiting to see if we get confirmation of that reversal. I do want to make sure that you guys are aware the consumer sentiment report was released today, and it came in based off of what I have here as expectation of 60, came in at 59.5, which is worse than expected. But shortly after this was reported, we actually saw the market react in a positive way. Now, one of the questions that a lot of people do have is, what's to come this upcoming week? I want to make sure that you guys are aware that next week, we have the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting, and this is going to be on Wednesday on the 21st. I need you guys to be aware of that, because if you've been looking out for a time that the market can shift directions, this is all it's been waiting for. This is the most important report after the CPI data report for this month. It is a reaction to that CPI data report. The Federal Reserve will determine if they're going to be raising interest rates by 0.75%, a full basis point, 0.5%, but as of right now, a 0.75%, so 0.75% is what the market thinks is going to be, reported on Wednesday on the 21st of September. So want to make sure that you guys are aware of that. That's going to happen, if I'm not mistaken, at 2 p.m. Eastern time. So the stock market should be opened, and I'm thinking of live streaming it. So you guys can let me know down in the comment section if you think that that's something that we should do. And if so, make sure you drop a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to this channel. So once we live stream, you get notified by YouTube. But other than that, as of right now, it looks like a pretty choppy day. Nothing too crazy, maybe a day worth sitting out. If you guys have any questions about what we talked about today, you can always direct message me via Discord, especially if you're an absolute beginner. I know that this market can sometimes be pretty challenging and lonely, especially if no one else to kind of like reach out to. So I respond to all of my direct messages. You can direct message me via Discord. It's the first link down below, or message me via Instagram, and that's that third link in the description. If you want to be able to watch me trade live every single day, again, friendly reminder, I do trade live only exclusively with my Learn Plan Profit group. And not only do they get to watch me trade live, but they get access to our A to Z video lesson library, daily live trading session, private group chat, and access to the TechBuds HQ. Right now, we are running a $100 off sale, and that's that second link down below. Friendly reminder, the only thing that I offer is my Learn Plan Profit group and my daily live trading session. It's all inclusive, it's a one-time payment, and it's lifetime access. I offer nothing else. You will see that there are fake accounts that will try to respond to your comments, or fake accounts that are on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. There's fake accounts everywhere. I don't use WhatsApp. I don't use Telegram. I will never trade for you. I will never ask for money. I literally only offer my Learn Plan Profit group. That is all. So if you get a message from me or someone pretending to be me, I'm verified on Instagram. I'm verified on YouTube. All the other accounts are fake. I have no one else reaching out to you. I don't have any crypto fund. Please do not fall for any of those fake accounts. If you ever see one, just screenshot it and send it to me via Instagram, and that's that third link down below. Again, I'm using the Webull trading platform. It's the free trading platform that I use in the US, and if you use my link, which is the 5th link in the description, that will earn you an automatic 12 free stocks when you deposit $1. So again, a lot of links down below, but especially if you're an absolute beginner, a lot of them can be very useful, so make sure you take some time and you stay connected. I appreciate your time. Hope that earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. Hope and wish you guys an amazing weekend. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.